सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. The Kargil War holds immense importance for every Indian. On this day, we are commemorating the victory of brave Indian soldiers over the infiltrators who tried to capture our land in Kargil in 1999. On this day, we are celebrating our 25th Silver Jubilee. The Kargil War was fought for more than 2 months between May and July in 1999. The Indian Army faced numerous challenges in the harsh weather conditions and the lack of access of modern weaponry. Despite all challenges, the Indian Army displayed exceptional valor, courage, and determination, which eventually led to India's victory in the war.
Kargil Vijay Divas is not just a day to celebrate a military victory, but a day to reflect on the values of unity and patriotism. It reminds us of the strength that lies in the unity and the importance of standing together as a nation, especially in times of adversity.
The Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on 26th of July to remember and honor the sacrifice made by them during the war. This day is not just about commemorating the victory of our brave soldiers, but also about paying tribute about the soldiers who had laid down their lives to protect our country's sovereignty.
It is a day to remember the brave soldiers who fought selflessly for our country's honor and made the supreme sacrifice to protect our motherland. As we remember the sacrifices of our soldiers, we must also acknowledge the support and strength provided by their families. The families of our soldiers are the unsung heroes who stand by them, providing unwavering support. Their sacrifices, though silent, are invaluable.
On this day, we should take a moment to reflect on the significance of Indian Army and the sacrifices made by them. We should also express our gratitude towards the families of our soldiers who have supported them in their duties and have faced many hardships. As we have honored our heroes today, let's not limit our recognition to just one day. Let's carry it in within our hearts for every day.
Jai Hind!